I'm Preet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today is one of the most popular type of video on this channel, that is a tag video. And I'm already doing a very popular book tag, which is unpopular opinions book tag. Do you see the joke there? I don't even know it's a joke, but yeah, I really wanted to do this tag, and I have the questions down below. If you see me looking down again and again, please excuse me because questions are down below, guys. So if you're new to this channel and you don't know what a tag video is, it's a video which has questions on a particular theme. This theme is unpopular opinions, and I'm gonna read out all those questions and answer them right now. Question number 1, a popular book or series that you didn't like. First of all, I want to declare that all the popular book series are usually the ones which I don't like in the beginning, at least. For example, Mortal Instruments, first 2 books were a pain to read. For example, Percy Jackson series, first 2 books were a pain to read. For example, Twilight, first book, good but not great. And right now, I just want to name one book series. I didn't read the complete book series, but the book is Divergent by Veronica Roth. A lot of people actually were like, Manpreet, it's amazing, you should read it. And I see it in so many recommended videos, and I'm like, huh? Divergent? Yeah. Insurgent is lying on my bookshelf for a long time and I'm not reading it. I should read it, yeah. Tell me in the comments if I should read Insurgent or not. But right now it's Divergent. Number 2 question is a popular book or series that everyone else seems to hate but you love. That's a tough question because usually it happens that a lot of people hate a book and I love. Yes, I found it. It's 50 Shades of Grey by E.L. James. It's an amazing trilogy and I just can't understand why people hate it. I have some, very different opinions, and different in the sense I have some very offensive opinions about why people hate it. But it's an amazing book. If you read it with an open mind, like a real reader, you are bound to love that book. See, I have so strong opinions about it. It's an amazing book. Read it. Number 3 question is a love triangle where the main character ended up with a person you did not want them to end up with, or an OTP that you didn't like. OTP, I don't know. I just named OTP one-time password. But a love triangle where the main character ended up with someone else. Guys, you have to remind me about this. Which is that love triangle? I haven't even read love stories since a while. But a love triangle where the main character ended up with someone else. Oh, I won't say that I've read the books, but I can say that in Vampire Diaries, although I started loving Damon, but in the first season, second season, I just wanted Elena to be forever with Stefan. And although I know in the end everybody ends up liking Damon because that's how the show has been built, but I am a person who is really very, unhappy about all of these love triangles where one day the woman is in love with this guy and next day she is in love with this guy. I just don't understand how it can even be love in that way. So all those love triangles where the woman is with this good guy first. Even in Gilmore Girls, guys, I stopped watching the show after Rory does that thing, starts liking that stupid guy. You know whom I'm talking about here. Number 4 question is a popular book genre that you hardly reach for. I wouldn't say that, there is a genre which I had. Yeah, it is science fiction. I have tried to read science fiction. I have tried to read The Invisible Man, which, if you don't know, it was one of the first few science fictions which were ever written, according to my current information. But at the same time, I started reading Dog Stars by Peter Heller as well. But I just found it very, intimidating or whatever. But I never ended up picking another science fiction or, touching more. Aiden's Choice, which I read last year, was also a bit of science fiction, but the hardcore science fiction books, they repel me. Number 5, a popular beloved character that you do not like. A popular character that I don't like. This is a very tough tag, guys, because I have to think about all the books and I should have prepared for it before. Because right now it's like, 2 popular characters that I don't like, but there is a huge but attached to why I don't like them. First character is Ginny, but I love Ginny in the books, Ginny from Harry Potter, but I hate how they presented her in the movies, and I hated her for the longest time because I read Harry Potter series in like last 2 years, and then I realized she's such an amazing character, and for the longest time I hated her because of the fact that she ended up with Harry, and I always wanted Hermione to end up with Harry, and I hated her for that, but if you read the books you'll realize what an amazing character she is. So I hate Ginny from the movies, and otherwise I love her. And the second one is Umbridge. There's a but attached to it because it's a popular character that everybody hates. We all hate her. She is also from Harry Potter. If you haven't read Harry Potter, what are you doing with your life? Read it now, yeah. See, even my dog is saying you should read Harry Potter. He said, Number 6 question is a popular author that you can't seem to get into. Currently it's Veronica Roth. I haven't tried her any other book, but right now it is her. And Indians, I have a huge list. I cannot really, give you the list of Indian authors right now. I have a video planned about worst books by Indian authors, so we'll talk about them there. And Chetan Bhagat and Durjoy Datta are not in the list, so be aware of that. Number 7, a popular book trope that you are tired of seeing. Example, Lost Princess, Corrupt Ruler, love triangles, etc. I'm really tired of actually love triangles. Is this woman loving other guy and then she falls in love with this guy? How does it even happen? Like in 2 days, if you broke up with this person and it has been 10 years, I would agree. It has been a long time, I would agree. If this person was an asshole, I agree. But if this person was the cutest, awesomest person ever born, and then you fall out of love with this person, I just cannot bear that. Hashtag Rory Gilmore. Number 8, a popular series that you have no interest in reading. Currently, it's Divergent. This book tag is Divergent dominated, yeah. There must be a lot of other series, but I always like to give it a try. So Divergent, I have still read like 1 book, so I'm saying that. But otherwise, I would not answer such a question because you cannot really say that you don't like a book unless you have read it. Number 9 and last question for this book tag is, the saying goes, the book is always better than movie, but what movie or TV show adaptation do you prefer more than the book? Equal preference would be to Harry Potter movies and Harry Potter book. Harry Potter book is amazing for a reader, and Harry Potter movie is amazing for a person who wants just entertainment. And for that, but if I have to say a TV show or adaptation which is better than the book, none. I can never say that. I would be betraying all the people who read books. Even if I had a solid reason to do that, I know such a reason doesn't exist. So if I find a book ever that whose movie adaptation is better, I'll let you know and make another version of this tag. Until then, none. Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. My camera's battery is going to die, so we have to be quick. You have to comment down below with what you think about this tag. Thank you so much for watching. This is Manvi signing off, and I'll be back with another video very soon.